Hello friends, welcome to back my channel Learn and Grow with Ali. Today we are learn an important modal verb that is could and how to use it correctly in English sentence, and this video is beginner friendly and I will explain everything with clear example. So let's get started on the video. Section 1. What is could? Could is a modal verb, that's mean it's a helping verb that's come before the main verb. There are three main uses of could: possibility, permission, to talk about something that might happen or to ask for permission; two, past ability, to talk about someone's ability in the past; third is the polite request, to politely ask for offer something. Let me explain each one with examples. Section 2. Possibility or permission. Could is used to show possibility or permission. For example, it could rain tomorrow. There is a possibility of rain tomorrow. You could take my pen if you need it. You have a permission to take it. Here could show either possibility or permission depending on the sentence. Section 3. Past ability. Could can also show ability in the past. For example, when I was a child, I could swing very fast. I was able to swing fast as a child. He could speak 3 languages when he was at 10. He had the ability to speak 3 languages in age 10. Notice that could here refers to something someone was able to do in the past. Section 4. Polite request. Could is very useful for polite request or offers. For example, could you help me this homework? A polite way to ask for help. Could I open the window? A polite way to ask for permission. Using could instead of make your English sound polite and professional. Section 5. Quick tips summary. Let quickly summarize. Possibility, permission, it could happen. You could try this. Past ability, I could run fast when I was a child. Polite request, could you pass the water? Could you pass me the water? And pro tips: if you want to sound polite and professional, always use could for request instead of can. So friend, today we learn how to use could with the examples. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and comment below which modal verb you want to explain in the next video. See you in the next video. Keep practice, keep going. Take care. Goodbye.